Welcome to the second video on the demonstration of the CHAIMELEON repository platform. In this video, we will concentrate on a different user role. We will concentrate on the role of the dataset manager. The dataset manager is a person that can create datasets that are being used by the rest of the researchers. So we will very briefly describe how the life cycles of the datasets are managed. So basically, the outline of the presentation will be the following. We have Carmen, who is a dataset manager who already has a user that is called this dataset administration. This user in the CHAIMELEON platform has been used to start the creation of a dataset. So already she has selected 3 images, 3 studies that want to be released, we publish as a dataset, and we will show how to complete all the information steps in order to make this dataset the compliance with the FAIR principle. So she will first act as a draft dataset. We will see that we can get additional information there about the tracking of the usage of the dataset. We will complete the information related to the title, description, the license, and other points, and we will publish the dataset so it will become available to any user in the platform. I mean, we will, as we have commented before, the datasets in CHAIMELEON, the data of the clinical data of the datasets and the images are only accessible to authorized users. However, the summary, the explanation, the description, the license is public information that can be cited and can be released and being accessed without authentication or anonymous manner. So let's start with the presentation. So let's first start logging into the platform. So Carmen already has this special user that has the capability of that in which a dataset has been already started. So we can see that we have a draft dataset that has a set of studies selected. In this case, we can see the studies list, and we will see that there's only 3 studies related with lung cancer. So we will start seeing the possibilities of the platform for a dataset manager. We can see that the different steps in which the a dataset goes through, the creation, the access, can be seen and persisted on a dataset. So first, we will start giving a new name to the dataset, and we will also edit the description. So this information will be publicly available, and it will be used for the findability. We will put the contact information that will mean the email and the name of the person that can be responsible of the collection of this data, and license. The license will depend on how do you want to permit the access to the data. So in this case, we'll just for simplicity, we'll put a CC-BY, but also we can easily link to any other license model that can be agreed. So it's important to say that we foresee that we'll have several types of licenses. The rest of the information is automatically compiled, so then you can put your own custom license and link to a URL in which you put the description of the license. Once that this information is completed, so then the dataset is ready to be published. So next step will be to release the dataset. It means that this dataset will be available for other users, authorized users in the platform. Now it is not tested in a draft mode anymore. So it's a regular dataset. And then if we log out to the platform, we will see that it's not visible because it's not a published dataset. So it cannot be seen it can be seen only by authorized users. So we will log in again in the platform so we can see it again, and then we will proceed publishing the dataset. Now that it's released, we can go to publish, and through publish it means that the part of the summary will be publicly available. A user without that is not authenticated to the platform can see this summary, and we can publish this information on a preservation database like in the like Zenodo. That will be our target. So now you can see that this dataset is available for a user that is not authenticated, but as we mentioned, not the data, but only the summary. right? So that was the end of the presentation. So thank you for watching.